Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Global Happenings Today TV. And when it comes to the issue of history and Nigeria, you cannot rule out the Igbos in the history of Nigeria. You cannot rule out the Hausas and the Yorubas. There are the three founding fathers or three pillars that form Nigeria. Of course, there are other ethnic groups that emerged, but they saw them as the three major ones. But as we speak, Reno Omokri have decided to speak up when something happened that brought out the issue, and what he's saying now, it's shaking the table, and the Igbos have come out en masse to decide to react to his claims. His claims are quite strong, and a lot of people are wondering what he's saying, how true is it? And it has sparked a lot of reactions here. And they're going to find out exactly what it is he's saying about the Igbos, and that he has decided also not to involve himself. He actually doesn't want to leave his beautiful wife. Before going to the newspaper, like and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You say bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. If you have been following Reno Omokri for a while, you'll notice that he takes time to tell one or two things about history, culture, and political scene of the country. For a while now, he has been talking about other people, the Igbos, the Yorubas, and many Nigerians decided to, turn his direction to the Igbos and, told him, look, you need to shed more light on the Igbos, judging the fact that this issue of Biafra has started emerging, and he wants him to speak something, make one or two comments. And this is what he said that sparked a lot of reactions. He said, one Marciano Nonso Michael asked the question and he answered the reply. He said, dear Nonso, he said something. He said, so I can be insulted. That's Reno right now. He said, so I can be insulted. Igbos are by far too sensitive for an objective history. No matter what I write about the history of Yoruba, Hausa, and Fulani, even if it's not flattering, they will accept it as long as it is true. He now said to himself, I can't kill myself because I'm a scholar. I will only write about the history of people who understand that history has both positive and negative sides. In my opinion, and remember, I can be wrong. I can be wrong. The Igbos as a people find it hard to absorb any history that does not massage their ego. I take that again. In my opinion, I remember, I can be wrong. Igbo as a people find it hard to absorb any history that does not massage their ego, though there are exceptions. But those exceptions are not enough to form a critical mass. And until there is a critical mass of such people, any scholar will be well advised to leave well enough alone. I wrote a lot about history in my upcoming work, but I deleted everything that had to do with the Igbos. I cannot come and go and kill myself. Okay, I cannot come and go and kill myself and leave my beautiful wife to Fiakwa. Thank you and God bless you. Now, he's called himself a table shaker. Lots of people reacted to it, and this was what people said. In a nutshell, let me just quickly explain what he meant. He said that Igbos are a sensitive subject. They don't take kindly to negative reports about them, even though it's history, whether history or not. That all they want, they say that according to Reno Omokri, say they're not objective in their analysis. And people started talking. He said that for that reason, that there was a project he was running on the history of Nigeria. He was written about the Fulanis, he has written about the Yorubas, he has written about other tribes, but even the Hausas as well. So, but when he got to the Igbos, when he saw how sensitive they are to issues, he deleted everything that has to do with history concerning them. This is what people replied him afterwards. This one here told him that, wow, this man, Reno, is not ordinary. I can't wait to meet you someday, right on the history of my tribe, Igbos, please. That's what generated the question that brought the blessing. This one now answered, say, you have started looking for trouble. Igbos don't just accept anything you give to them. They also make research. Please, you can you can do so without looking for trouble. This one here say you can talk without accusing people. Probably say some. I wonder how you people are so fast. This Igbo man responded or replied Reno Omokri on the matter by saying, look, I don't agree with you on this one. Me as an Igbo man, I can tell you that my friends and I do non-stop research about our history. You are not just sure of getting an Igbo involved will save your opinion without. Okay, I'll take that again. He said you are not sure that if getting an Igbo involved will save your opinion without a challenge. Okay, this one is saying, what's the history about Igbos that you think won't massage their ego? This one I say, this man is funny. We have to check if he's okay. About you telling you to write about this is okay. This one is saying, Buhari that you go against every day is even better than you, because you are full of hate. Who do you think you are? Who know you? What history can you tell? Then when them born your papa, Oga, if you don't have anything to tweet, go and sleep. You are not serious. Okay, but I guess that's exactly what he was trying to avoid. Those that will call him out and call him names. All right, but what some persons are already telling him is the fact that the reason why he may not be comfortable doing that of the Igbos is because Igbos will not allow it to lie low. They are going to do some research. They would challenge his thesis, challenge his opinion. But then, they all are entitled to an opinion. He could actually go ahead and write the history of the Igbos. He's a scholar. I think he derives a lot of pleasure in doing a lot of reading and writing. And if he discovers something unique in history, and he's sure, go ahead. That's one beautiful thing about history. It's there, but if it's not written for everyone to see and, get used to it or understand the dynamics, we may not know how beautiful the history of Igbos are. We have an idea of what happened in 1967 to 1970. But every day, new information are coming up concerning that matter. Some persons are talking about some dynamics that were not recorded in history. But if you know that information and you don't spill it out or you don't say it out, how would people know? And history is one subject now that should be encouraged so that we will understand the dynamics of who we are, where we come from, and how united, knitted, or separated or separated we are in this country. And what better way to know it is through history, because history will give you an idea of how it was before. You do a comparison of how it was before and now. It will give you a bigger picture. So, come on, if Reno is trying to write something on the Igbos, we should actually encourage him, let him write. And the one that you feel is wrong, you can challenge it very politely. Let's go wrap it up. Let's meet in the comment section. Also, do have a nice time.